Let's begin with Interactive Multi-Purpose Smart Dashboard, which is divided into 4 segments. Starting with Leads, which gives an overview of the total number of leads received, number of cancelled leads, number of converted leads, and number of leads to follow up. Then, Commission tab gives you the daily, weekly, monthly, and total summary of the commission rebate received for each currency. Wallet option shows the currency-wise summary for easy understanding of deposit, withdrawal, and balance of each currency. Lastly, Customer tab shows customer-related analytical figures to evaluate the patterns in the trading data and to help locate new trading opportunities. Next is Track and Manage Customer Account Leads that pools all your leads received for demo or live account in one place, keeps your pipeline uncluttered, and lets you set a reminder for follow-up purpose. Then is Campaign Links. Through this feature, you are able to send referral link to your potential leads, and when someone registers on the link, it will directly reflect under your ID code, thus helping you to ease your work.
Coming to reviewing all customers and their trading accounts. This feature allows you to access information or trading accounts for all your clients from a single point of access. As well as it lets you review many aspects of each client account.
Next on the list is Instant Withdraw Commission Request. You can place a withdrawal request by simply clicking on the Transaction tab and then on Withdraw. Once the page shows up, click on the plus icon and subsequently click on Withdrawal Request. Fill in the amount you want to withdraw and click on Add. The process is swift and will be credited to your bank account in no time. Then is Tools. Click on Tools option and explore our handy tools to calculate profit, margin, PIP point, swaps, SLTP, and currency at your fingertips. And the last important feature is the live support ticket system, which is efficient, fast, and meant for easy communication to solve problems. The FAQ section is designed to provide you a central place for quick information that are most commonly asked and easy to understand.